Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to make a picture into a link. We're going to do this on a web page. I have both a picture here and a web page that I've been working on. Let's open up that web page in some sort of text editor. And as you can see, it has an image whose source is my picture. And the width I've set to be 100 and the height I've set to be 100. That's because this is a very large picture. If I open up that web page, there's my picture all by itself. Now we want to make that into a link. Let's pull it back up in our editor. And around this picture, we're going to put an anchor. Just say anchor, hypertext reference equals, and let's put our website. I'm just going to link it to www.daveandrews.org. Now we did that before the beginning of the image tag, and then at the end of the image tag, we're going to close out our anchor. Let's save that and open it back up. There's our image. If we hold our mouse over it, it becomes a hand. And clicking on that image takes us to the website. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to turn an image into a link.